Hey dudes, we're here in the shop right now and I'm very nervous and I'm very excited, and finally I am seeing my bike right now. So yep, that's a CBR1000 RR, and this is the SP edition because it has the Brembo brake, electronic suspension, and all-ins rear suspension. So it has already a Yoshimura exhaust. So I'm very excited to take this home. So join me, I'll drive this home. Let's see. Sa mga tropa nito, kilala niyo pa daw to.
Kumusta po kayo lahat, mga kababayan? Si Ray Racing kung tawagin sa Pilipinas, dito naman si Ray Guapo. Ayan, nandito yung ating kaibigan na si Michael. Kuha lang niya ito, kabibila na ito. It's a very nice piece of machine. It's a sports production CBR with all those electronic suspension. I've ridden few of these while doing service, and we even have a demo bike from Honda that my boss let me ride it on some weekends. Well, basically the sports bike, they all have the same character, but one thing that I really love with this machine is the engine braking. Some riders can tell the difference, but if you are a little bit of experience and have ridden a couple of different models, that is one thing that is very noticeable. So I like the engine braking of this CBR1000 SP. So yeah, Michael, I hope you enjoy your new ride.
Thank you. So win natin to.
Ayan, bago lahat ng brake fluid. Yung brake niya, dahil bago, medyo wag mo na masyadong magpa-endo.
Huwag mo nandiinan.
Tinatry ko rin i-bed konti, pero siyempre kung dadali mo siya sa truck, bigyan mo muna siya ng mga few laps na wag masyadong heavy braking.
Okay.
Para lumapat ng gusto.
Sige.
Okay, ready na yan.
Ayos. Punta ka pa doon sa Sabado?
Baka.
Salamat. Alright, so dito na kami. So, papark ko muna siya dito at kailangan magtrabaho para may pambayad. See ya!